Hi everyone, if you're newly engaged, congratulations! But let's be real, after the excitement wears off, the budget panic sets in. The average wedding costs over $30,000 and without proper tracking, expenses can spiral out of control fast. Today I'm breaking down the three free wedding budget apps that will help you stay on track, and actually you will enjoy planning your big day without the financial stress. Quick disclaimer before we start. None of these companies are sponsoring this video. These are just my honest opinions. I've tested all of them and I'm showing you the pros, cons, and which one is right for you. Let's dive in. First up, Google Sheets. Now I know what you're thinking. A spreadsheet? Really? Yes. But hear me out. Google Sheets is honestly one of the most powerful and flexible wedding budget tools out there. And it's completely free. So what I love about it, that Google has pre-made wedding planner template you can use right away. Just go to the template gallery. Let's do it together. Search Wedding Planner template in the Google Sheets template gallery. Click it and you've got a really nice digital wedding planner. For the scope of today's video, we are only focusing on the budget estimator and detailed budget spreadsheets. In the Budget Estimator tab, you can enter your estimates for all categories relevant to your celebration. You add, remove, or customize any categories that don't apply. Totals will be calculated for you automatically, and actual amounts are pulled from Detailed Budget tab. In Detailed Budget tab, you can plan and track more detailed breakdown by filling out the estimated and actual amounts. The planned budget, estimated total, and actual total will automatically calculate for you. And here's what I like the most about Google Sheets. You can customize everything, add categories that matter to you, remove ones you don't need, change formulas, add notes, attach receipts, whatever you want. It's your spreadsheet. The formulas automatically calculate your totals, remaining budget, and percentages spent in each category. You can see exactly where your money is going. Also, sharing is seamless as well. You can give your partner, wedding planner, or parents edit or review access. So everyone sees updates in real time, and you can even work on it simultaneously. Plus, it's cloud-based, so you can access it from your phone, tablet, or computer anywhere in the world. No app download required. At the same time, despite all the advantages, you have to keep in mind that it's manual entry, so you have to type in every expense yourself. There is no automatic tracking from your bank account, for example. If you are not comfortable with spreadsheets, the learning curve might feel steeper than a dedicated app, with a pretty interface. Google Sheet is perfect if you want, maximum flexibility and customization, and you're comfortable with spreadsheets or willing to learn. And you want a free tool that you can access anywhere and easily share with others. Okay, next one is Bridebook. This is a comprehensive wedding planning app that's been used to plan over 1.9 million weddings, and I find it honestly incredible. So, the budget tracker, this is where Bridebook really shines. They have what they call a budget calculator that uses powerful algorithms based on thousands of real couples' actual spending data. You enter your total budget, answer a few questions about your priorities and preferences, and Bridebook automatically breaks down how much you should allocate to each category: venue, catering, photography, flowers, everything. And this is huge if you have no idea where to even start with budget percentages. Just keep in mind that it is primarily UK based, so it might be more accurate if you plan a wedding in UK. Now, as you book vendors and make payments, you log them in the app, and it tracks your spending in real time. You can see exactly what you've spent and whether you are on track in each category. Plus, you can link your account with your partner, so you're both working from the same information. You can manage your budget together and collaborate seamlessly. Again, on the downside, like most apps, it's manual entry for expenses. Nothing automatically syncs with your bank account. In addition, if you are in Switzerland, for example, as I am, the app automatically defaults to German based on your selected location. So if you are in Switzerland and prefer English, for example, or another language, because German is not the only one official language in Switzerland, then there is an issue with it. I believe Bridebook is a good option if you want all-in-one wedding planning solution, with intelligent budget recommendations, all-in-one polished app. It's perfect for couples who want guidance and structure throughout the planning process. The next one on my list is Zola. This is one of the most popular wedding planning platforms, and what I love is that it's truly all-in-one platform. You get a free wedding website, free registry, free guest list management, and a free budget tracker, all with really user-friendly interface. The budget tracker is smart. When you first set it up, you enter your total budget, and Zola, similar to Bridebook, suggests how much to allocate to each category based on industry standards and real wedding data. So, if you're planning a 25k wedding, it will recommend spending percentages for venue, catering, photography, attire, everything. Of course, you can customize these allocations to match your priorities, because maybe you care more about photography and less about decorations. Then just adjust the sliders and Zola recalculates everything. As you book vendors and make payments, you log them in the app. Zola tracks your spending and shows you visually how much you've spent versus your total planned budget. The color coding makes it super easy to see at a glance if you are on track or going over. One killer feature is automatic payment reminders, because you can set payment due dates for vendor deposits and final payments, and Zola will send you reminders. So, you never miss a deadline or forget to pay someone. Again, like the other apps, expenses are manually entered, so no automatic bank syncing, but at the same time, they offer possibility to auto-populate your payments based on the uploaded vendor contracts. So you could try it this way. Also, if you are an Android user, you'll need to use the web version on your phone browser, since there is no dedicated Android app yet. Zola is perfect if you want a comprehensive, truly free, all-in-one platform with a great budget tracker and the smart features like payment reminders. All with a polished, easy-to-use interface. Okay, so which one should you choose? Choose Google Sheets if you want maximum flexibility and customization, you are comfortable with spreadsheets or willing to learn, you like having full control over categories, formulas, and layout, and budget tracking is your sole focus. Choose Bridebook or Zola if you want all-in-one comprehensive wedding planning app. You need intelligent budget recommendations based on real data. You love smart features like automatic payment reminders. And you're planning a wedding in UK or US and also need vendor recommendations. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of this. They are all free, so my recommendation is to download all three. Spend 15 minutes with each and see which interface clicks with you. Because you'll be using this almost daily for months, so pick the one that makes you want to open it. And quick pro tips before we wrap up. 1. Whatever app you choose, set it up immediately. Add your total budget and start tracking from day one. Even small deposits add up. 2. Update it in real time. Every time you book a vendor or make a payment, log it right away. Don't wait until the end of the month or you will forget something. 3. Build in a 10-15% buffer for unexpected costs. Trust me, there will be unexpected costs. 4. Share access with your partner or whoever helping you to pay so that everyone's on the same page. And that's it. 3 awesome free budget tools to keep your planning stress-free and your spending on track. Which one are you going to try? Let me know in the comments. And if you are using a different app that you love, drop that below too. I'd love to check it out. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more wedding planning tips. And I wish you happy planning and I'll see you in the next video.